So what we're showing here today is Dell's GB10. The GB10 is our system on a chip, and what the GB10 is, it's a small chip but super powerful. So we have our NVIDIA Grace CPU along with our NVIDIA Blackwell GPU together on one chip. And the beauty about this is that the Grace CPU can do its CPU work, the Blackwell GPU can do its GPU work, but they share memory together. So we have a coherent unified memory on that chip of 128 gigabytes. The beauty on this system here is that we're able to use that 128 gigabytes to do all sorts of different things within the realm of AI development. One of the things that I'm showing here today is some AI development inference within a factory and a manufacturing setting. We have a couple different examples here. One of them that I'm working with right now is actually worker safety. So what we have is a video here, security type of footage, camera footage of worker safety. What we can do with this video search and summarization demo is have a combination of different models working locally off of our GB10 here that it's able to infer and allow us to query this. And we're able to do this because we're using a vision language model, a large language model, and a retrieval augmented generation model as well. So that we're actually able to take data from video and be able to find whatever type of information we want to have. In this example that I'm running here, we're looking at worker safety in a factory setting or a warehouse setting. In this case, I have a bunch of clips that have studied the video, and I can actually chat and inquire with the data that it is inferred. One of the questions I'm asking here is the worker wearing safety gear? Is the worker wearing the PPE that is required for the job to make sure they're following code, safety regulations? And we're able to see here that yes, he's wearing his yellow hard hat and high visibility vest, which is excellent. We could also set this up to prompt us with alerts so that we have alert reasoning, the ability for it, instead of just relying on querying here, we could have alerts prompt us to say, you know, there is a worker not wearing their hard hat as an example, or their safety vest, or both. Another example we have here is this manufacturing workflow. We have a conveyor belt system that we're monitoring how packages or items are coming down this conveyor belt, and we're monitoring, you know, perhaps we want to look for differences in size of those packages or items on that conveyor belt. Are any of them damaged, right? So it's able to detect things like wrinkles in the package or tears in the package or dents or damage to the boxes. And again, we can query with that, or we could have it alert us that some of the packages are damaged, and we can very quickly zone in on how that damage happened as an example as well. So we have a bunch of different examples here on all of this running locally live right off of our GB10. The last thing I wanted to point out with this scenario is that users can actually download this same demo for free off of our build.nvidia.com site, specifically on our Spark section. We have a bunch of playbooks that we have there available for developers to try and learn from. You can even customize those a little bit. So it's a great resource for learning all about what the GB10 can provide for AI development.
Bye.